1986 established National Institute of Fashion Technology, Delhi, began its journey with a single fashion design program from a two-room setup before moving to its current campus in 1994. Today, this autonomous institute functions under Government of India's Ministry of Textiles. It has been rated 4.6 out of 5 by students on shiksha.com. Let's find out how good is this coveted BDES program, starting with the 4.6 star rated placements. As per 2023-24 placement data, prominent names such as Titan, Noise, Fab India, Nike and Reliance Retail visited the campus. Placements for 2023-24 has not been disclosed. According to the 2022 available placements, the highest package reached up to 15 lakh per annum, whereas the average was around 4.5 lakhs in 2022. When compared with Delhi's other similar fashion designing institutes such as Pearl Academy, it can be seen that NIFT students could expect 21.6% higher average salary. As per students, the college is renowned for its placement attracting top companies such as Raymond, Aditya Birla Fashion, Pantaloons and Tineria. Training is provided from day one, and this helps students in tracking job opportunities in prestigious fashion firms. Top roles offered include that of fashion designer, director and fashion advisory. Internship opportunities are also robust. Students land internships at places such as Nike, Zara, Reliance, H&M and Myntra. Originally, NIFT offered 4 programs in 1994, 2 masters and 2 bachelors. Today, this institute offers BDES with 6 different specializations. A dual degree program with FIT New York is also provided, where students undertake 2 years study at the home institute intercepted by 1 year at FIT. They are awarded degree from both the institutes. A total of 43 seats are offered for BDES. For admissions, a candidate must have passed 10 plus 2 from a recognized board. Additionally, students must qualify the NIFT entrance exam. The cutoff trend suggests increased competition level for BDES in fashion communication. On the flip side, closing rank for BDES fashion design have opened up as compared to 2022. The institute also provides scholarship to needful students. At about 16.8 lakh program fee and its present average package, students have given a 4.6 stars value for money rating. Moving on to infrastructure that has been rated 4.6 stars. The campus, designed by Dr. B.V. Doshi, features a central stepwell for rainwater conservation inspired by traditional Indian baulis. NIFT Delhi provides libraries, hostels, labs, design studios and cafeteria among other facilities. The campus offers up to 44 well-equipped modern classrooms along with a resource center which has 15,000 books, a huge collection of fabrics and high-end machines. The campus features a fully air-conditioned hostel with 200 beds, 24/7 power backup security and doctor on-call service. Plus, there is recreation facilities and facilities for special needs students. Hostels are available for both boys and girls with several amenities. Students found the mess food to be of good quality as well as affordable. Medical facilities available 24/7. Moving on to faculty and course curriculum, which has an impressive rating of 4.7 stars on shiksha.com. The faculty members here are experienced professionals who are ready to help students beyond academics. They are a big source of motivation shared students. The curriculum is industry relevant. Exam difficulty is set at moderate levels. Despite this, students find the semester exams quite challenging. NIFT Delhi has an impressive rating of 4.7 stars in campus life. Let's have a look at what students have to say. NIFT offers various fests and extracurricular activities. The annual fest, which is organized each even semester, gives students free rein to showcase their talent. The best of the best from all campuses also get to compete with each other at Converge, the sports and cultural national meet for NIFT. Students also participate in a wide range of activities through the Student Development Activity Club. The Wednesday evening 0 hour is exclusively for SDACs. There are 5 different clubs for students, namely Social and Environmental, Cultural, Literary, Film and Photography and Sports Club. So this was all about NIFT Delhi. For more details on NIFT Delhi and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.